Changing your payout method on Bugsnag is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Bugsnag account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to change payout settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRARC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in lead databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled payout methods or payment settings. Click on this option to view your current payout method and available alternatives. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or add a new payout method. Fill in the required information, such as bank details or payment service accounts, ensuring all data is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Bugsnag. Make sure to review your settings periodically to ensure they remain up to date.